Alright, for our salsa, we'll throw in about a handful of mint and parsley. 1 roughly chopped up shallot and about 5 cloves of garlic. We'll do a little bit of lime zest. I haven't got a lemon, so lime will do. Some chili flakes. As much or as little as you like. Salt and pepper. Alright, let's blitz it up. Blend this up and put a little bit more in. Cool, we'll wrap this up and we'll put it in the fridge. Alright, we've got our beautiful little lamb loin chops. We're gonna drizzle over with a little bit of olive oil. Give them a little rub down. We're gonna hit it with our garlic and herb rub. Flip them over, do the same thing. Alright, we'll let these sit and we'll go prep our Weber. Right, because we're cooking over our coals again today, we've loaded up our charcoal basket. I have thrown a fire lighter in the middle there as well, just to help get that charcoal a little bit quicker, so we'll light our fire lighters. Get our charcoal basket straight over the top, and we'll come back in about 15 minutes to see if it's lit. Alright, 15 minutes later and our charcoal's lit. So we'll dump this. We'll give that 10 minutes to preheat. Alright, Barbie's warm. We'll get these straight over our coals. Yeah. Now these won't take long, so we'll come back in about 5 minutes to give them a flip. Shut the lid. So if your coals start getting just a little bit too hot like mine have here, just rotate your cooking grate using an insulated glove. Proceed to cook your chops just a few at a time over your coals. That way you still have full control and are able to stop them from burning whilst maintaining that beautiful char. So we cooked our chops to about 58 degrees Celsius internal, which is around that medium rare stage, giving you a juicy pink finish. F***ing beautiful. Alright, I'm pretty happy with these, so we'll get these off and let them rest. Alright, we'll let these rest for 5 minutes, then we can tuck in. So I forgot to put any lime juice in our salsa, so I'm just going to do that now. Just half a lime. Give it a mix. Yum, have a look at that. Mmm. Yeah. Alright, let's get them on the chops. Alright, we'll spoon over our zesty minty salsa. Have a look at that. Well, there you have it. These smell absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to take a bite. Look at that. Dig in. Beautiful, juicy little pink lamb loin chops. Fly. This minty zesty dressing is absolutely fantastic. Both hand in hand. That little char from the coals is just unbeatable. Give these a shot because they are definitely worth it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't need much. because the missus doesn't like it. A little bit more. I wonder. Georgia? 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 Just needed to hold the camera and hold the blender.
Is that my blender?
Your blender?
I'm not going to turn it on.
Just pulse it. Might need the lid on. Alright, we've got our beautiful little lamb loin chops. Jesus Christ, lamb loin chops. Alright, we've got our beautiful little lamb. Have a bloody stroke doing this. Oops. Me. Do it 2 hands, you f***ing idiot. Just took my glove off, for f***'s sake. Yes. That shouldn't be like that. Falling down, you